All right, we're back. Another day trading, you know. Give thanks for life. Give thanks for this new day. Got another day to live on this amazing earth. Hello? My man? Hey, pa, no sweat. Ayo, nyami danasi. Huh? Ebe come here council. I will bet me send Natasha. No, I will bet me send the money. Pacha, on. No, yeah. I know, I don't understand. Maybe it was the old one, it was the Barclays. Maybe it was the old Barclays one as well, maybe. Yeah, King Jermaine. Omuyi. Nabibiaya. 300. Mi freno. What's she saying? Mi be free Accra. No, like Anopana mi be fly. Mi be call Accra. Anopa next Wednesday, Anopa. Pachai. I me record any fear, me it's not any fear, answer no mako. Me be sure, Pachai. I me be sure. Wanna me be tonight. Me be far Uber. I free any fear, call airport. Ayo, Mati. Now me be funny free him fan. Mati. Him fan. I seems free him fan. Free anti mama fear. We bet me a coffee. I mean person. I mean to just me be catch no. Me just oh me be catch no. Me just me be catch no. You be mom Uber. Yeah, you be mom for Uber, Grammy. Aye. Mini space crowd. Me tire me computers, me. Never peak. Yeah, all my jeans and everything. No, but I have to drink. because because I'm coming there for long, innit? I'm in a chair or anything I need to do, I'll send in barrels, man. Like anything I want, me and my money can be the fucking barrel. With the first barrel. Me and my barrel, me the fuel. Me and money make that. Me the fucking barrel. I call Ghana. I try. I bet 300, right? Yo, maybe I catch you. I'm not my friend. Yo, bye bye. Hello, Shamari. I was just talking to my mum. You got to take her 300 for me when you take it, yeah, please. That's all I was phoning you for, you know. That's what I was phoning you for before. And then after I finished phoning you, my mum phoned me about the same thing anyway. So.
No, because I phoned her.
Okay, that's why she phoned me then, yeah. Yeah, she did tell me that she spoke to me.
I said to her, I don't know where you are.
One sec. I triggered myself in. I ain't even got this on. Yes, I have. I triggered myself into this trade just a little late though. I closed my browser by accident, and by the time I got on the trade, it moved, and then the bar I went to get on. I got. Anyway, I'm gonna stop how it looks like that. So I got in because of the spread and the movement of the bar at the time. It got me in way too late. I was actually meant to get in like down here. I closed the browser. By the time I got on, when I clicked it here, because of the momentum of the bar, and then what happens to the spread, the CFDs, obviously, the spread widens. So I got I didn't get a good entry at all. So I stopped running in the best place. But it is what it is. We're in the trade. And it looks like we're going to get stopped up. Yeah. Looks like the market wants to flush out. So I just wanted to quickly get that on the screen because I was on the phone, so I couldn't have it on the screen at the time. So, yeah. All right, this is going to stop out anyway, so I'll probably just take a half stop for that late entry. We'll see. It's definitely stopping out where it is from where it is now. So.
song that I got this little weekend trip to go to.
Where? And when?
Me and Tarek and the kids and Maria.
Where?
Friday, Saturday, and I'll be back on Sunday.
Where?
May.
In May.
For the half.
Okay, where you lot going?
What was it again? Recovery 2. What's this one I wrote down in my diary? 2. Norway.
Oh, Norway.
Yeah. We're waiting for the tickets to drop very low. And no, for the hotel price to drop low. So we can get the same thing and it'll only dropping low in May.
Oh, is that the one where you're going to do the Northern Lights thing?
Yeah. But on top of that, the hotel jam. Oh my God. Out of all the hotels we've been to, this one here.
Sounds good, sounds good.
It's really nice, this one. So it's just Friday. We'll be back on Sunday.
Okay, mate, no problem. I'll be there chilling, man. I'm gonna be there, man. Anyway, chilling, innit? I'm just gonna be there, boy. I'm just gonna work on once I get your ebook, I can start setting up. I can start working.
I just only do these little trips just for Tarek to just.
Yeah, that's all good, man. Just to go and see little different things here and there. Why not, man? Why not?
To experience, yeah.
Yeah. No matter what, just different atmosphere, just different culture, different environment. It don't really matter what it is, just different environment. Like when you're young, it helps, you know what I mean?
Just for him to know that, he travels, you know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly.
He gets to pack his suitcase, he gets to go on the plane for little trips and whatnot, because regardless, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it's something he can remember that me and him has done.
Yeah, it's good, man. It's definitely important, man. Like, he's been on the plane a good few times, so it's nothing that's going to be abnormal to him from already. You understand what I'm saying? From young. So that's fine. It's good already. You know? It's all good. Man, 1 week, boy, I'll be in Accra. I'll be leaving the village 1 week from now, this time. Yeah, as I was saying, as soon as I get that, Yeah, so as soon as I get that, I'll be working. I'm gonna have to just work on. My book's out there. My book's just part of my life. I'll be pushing that as part of my life. But your book is something we can actually build. Like, so we can build a proper little marketing program around it. And then, are you ready to do all that other stuff as well? Are you ready to start doing videos? Cooking videos on for YouTube.
Yeah, I told you you kind of have to put up that thing because I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I bought 2 phone thing with little mics. You know the ones in them with the little thing. And I bought the light for the big light, and then I bought the light for the food to go over it with the holder in the camera and stuff. That one I've broken it twice. I sent it back and they sent me back, and I'm like, oh, it has a faulty, but it's me who broke it. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm following the instruction. By the time I bring it over again to do the other piece, the thing doesn't go soup.
Yeah, it'd be good, man. It'd be good to start doing them things, and then you can think about it. I tell you, think about this podcast, man.
Think about Did you say think about podcasts?
I told you, do a podcast for your cooking podcast.
A podcast.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I told you where you interview, like, you speak to other cooks, other plant-based cooks, how they cook, how they learn about plant-based food, each one's journey, what part of the world they're from, what they use, how they cook up different things, and just have a little round where they give a free recipe or they give some advice for ingredients and this and that. You understand? All of them type of things. You understand? You start interviewing other plant-based cooks, like having a chat with them about plant-based food and cooking and different styles of cooking and how they got into it and what they're cooking. Then you understand what I'm saying? Then you can plant-based nutritionist. Like, you understand what I'm saying? Like that guy, Dr. Bobby Price. Like, people like there's so many people you can find and speak to them and have a thing on there on your show. So you have your show where you go around speaking to other plant-based chefs and people within that plant-based recipe, therapy, whatever. You understand that holistic plant-based food, eating and living and cooking. Everyone's got their different styles from all over the world. There's so many different chefs and so many different people. You can make a show out of it. You understand what I'm saying? You can have your own ones. If you ain't got no one to be on there, you can have your own where you're just talking about certain things yourself and certain recipes that you've done. And you understand, you can plan these shows and then you do your cooking show. You understand? You've got your cooking show. Like, you understand? And then you do your alkaline book. Straight after this, you do all alkaline book. Boom. You understand? After that, you can work out maybe if there's some type of cool, like just working out what you can take out of yourself that you can put on paper, that we can put on digital, that you can teach people and people are going to pay you for. And they're gonna come in contact with you through your free stuff that you give away on YouTube. And you understand, and your podcast. You understand all the stuff you're going to be cooking, you're going to give away bare free recipes. Live cooking, showing them how to do it. They're going to be like, eventually you're going to get a big following, massive following, hundreds of thousands of people following you. You're going to make your money from YouTube. Boom, you already replaced your job straight away, let alone the book and other things that you're selling through them people that you're upselling after that. You understand what I'm saying? The things you could be doing. You understand? You can do events eventually, like you do events in places, like plant-based events. So you can invite some of these plant-based chefs and then you come together, you do a plant-based weekend in some holistic place, like everyone's there. You understand? Like you can do some things and make some money out of this tomorrow. You understand what you need? You've got to start investing into you, investing into what the seeds that the creators put inside of you. You understand what I'm saying at the end of the day? You know? And that's by finishing your book, starting the next book, doing the podcast, having these things going on in that realm. So then as well, remember Dr. Miles Monroe says, like, we've got like our purpose. Once we're doing our real purpose, it will overtake our job. So your purpose, and as I'm saying, all them YouTube and all them things and these books and people following you, and it's eventually you won't have to work. You won't have to be at that actual job like that. You understand? Then now you're mobile. Now you're really mobile. You got your little money, and you can actually go where you want off your own accord. You understand what I'm saying? That's the world we've got to be in right now, because the world's changing so much these days. You don't know where you're going to want to be in this world. You get what I'm saying? So I hope that's all resonating with you in a positive way. What's Tyler doing in his bed?
He just used it up. Ty, did you flush the toilet?
Cash, you're good, yeah. Also, now's the right time to start buying the stock market. You know, it's gone way down, way down. Now's the right time to buy like the main market, like the overall markets, and just hold for the next 5 years or so. What the hell? What in the hell? Wow. Give thanks to Yahweh. Thanks to Yahweh, the King. Right. Yeah, man. That's why I didn't mute it for so long. I actually re-entered long after, as soon as that golfing bar closed, I entered. Funny, the craziest thing was right here when I nearly got stopped out. Like I did not. That's 5 pips. 5 pips stop. I did not move to stop. Like yeah, and like, I was like, man, I'm getting stopped out. Here we go. And like literally, the ball was just ranging wide, going. Like spun around. Like you never know what's gonna happen. Reason I got in on this wide range bar as it closed because you don't know if it's just gonna come into the 9 EMA and just carry on up, or do what he did, pull all the way back, close this gap, then go. It depends on how you feel, how you feel in your entry. Sometimes I'm more conservative. It just depends on what I'm seeing. But because of the higher highs it was making, and then the initial stop out that happened here was like a fake out. Looked like it wanted to go lower. So on that bar, that's what I got in. Yes, babe. about it. I feel I should have got out of this trade just now. It took out these highs over here. These highs are like the 12, like the 1 o'clock. These are Asian highs it just took out. I should have just exited there. I shouldn't be waiting for my 15 pips on a trade like that. You see how heavily it's pulling back? So I'm going to have to just exit now and call it a day. So a little bit annoyed just now, Shamari, because I've just now, I was looking at this trade and I could see where it went. This thing's probably going to keep coming back. So I've nearly got to target. Let me move this. Yeah, I feel I should have exited on the high, even though it's 15 pips. But sometimes, just sometimes, especially something like that, where you've got the Asian high that's taken out, that's possibly the liquidity grab. You know, the daily high is a lot more higher. The daily high is at 129.66. All right, we're getting a little move back up. I didn't get out straight away because I was just going to wait and see if we did get any type of pullback. And it was just a retracement. But really and truly, I should have just got out over the Asian high just to be safer than sorry. I usually always leave for 15 pips. But in the case of little things like that, little nuances like that, a couple pips ain't gonna hurt no one, you know. I wouldn't worry. And it's never something regular that happens. A lot of the time my exits line up with structure pretty well, daily highs and things like that into them type of areas. You know, that's what I'll be targeting or in that direction. So here's what is it. It might come up, it might go down, but if it starts to break down, I'll just take what is there and then leave it like that, which is possibly going to do. But we'll wait and see. Sometimes, like, at the end of the day, what I was thinking, I wanted to get out when I saw the wide ranging bar and the second one start breaking below the 9 EMA. What I've done was like, let me see the bar close, then let me watch the next one. If the next one goes to make a new low and stays strong making a new low, then I'll definitely just get out. So just that little bit of extra patience in knowing sometimes being reactive ain't the best thing, because it can happen like what it's doing now. It could be just a small pullback before it makes another little run up at the end of the day. But in honesty, the structure is taken. Yeah, there is more. There is more above, to be honest. There's quite a lot. Well, there's quite a lot more structure above. There's quite a lot more. So, but at the end of the day, that Asian high could have been that draw on liquidity. So we've got to still keep an eye out, because that could be the draw on liquidity. And we're just double topping here. You see how this bar closes. And it's in closing this thingy here, this fair value gap, it inverted it. So that's going with the bullish order flow still, with the flow of the market, with the trend. Look like we're going to get this target. Yeah, let's see what this bar does and the next bar does. Let's see if this bar holds a 9 EMA and if the next one opens up and starts to push above. Or if it starts to break down, we'll just take what we got and call it a day for this session. And move on. As I said, we have taken out Asian high, so that could have been the draw liquidity for now. You know, still got quite a good way. I don't know, the 15 minutes looking very bullish, but that can change any second. We could still have retracements, and it still could be bullish. Like we're on the 1 minute chart, we're taking this trade, so you know what we see on the macro. But I think my actual target, I could move it wider. To be honest, I could have a bigger target. But I'm gonna take my 15 pips because we're breaking out here. We had this consolidation pullback at the Asian, and we've stayed above the Asian high. Or we're staying above the Asian high, which was over here. That 1 o'clock.